So in this section we are going to discuss about the voice and video services. Voice services means there is a lots of the voice process means generally for the voice calling we are using our mobile phone. Generally we are using our mobile phone, and for the video services we are using some application like WhatsApp, Signal, Google Meets and much more. So like the voice and video services can be managed by the computer also, by the desktop or by the laptop, because there is a directly there is a wireless access point, and wireless access point the multiple phones are connected, and similar there is a some software are available where you can create a virtual phone and you can use your headphone for making the communication. Okay, so how all the things happen, like first is a very important tools also available. It is called private branch exchange, PBX. So PBX is like the in between your edge router and your LAN router is used the PBX between the edge, DMZ. DMZ zone means make the differentiation between the local and publicly, means the single place in your organization which available for the public interface as well as private interface, means your local area network. Also there is a possibilities that inside the local area network local person will communicate with the local, and also the local person can communicate with the any other location. All these things happen. So this is happened by the PBX. So PBX actually a hardware, and it is the vendor specific hardware, like Cisco is providing, some other companies are providing. So this is hardware is available, vendor specific hardware, which is some are VoIP enabled PBX, means PBX will make your communication, exchange communication between the voice over IP. So voice over IP means whatever you are talking, the data is transferring in a form of the packet. Okay, and sometime VoIP PBX may be the hardware or maybe the software solution. Hardware also available and software also available. If you don't have the enough money or you don't have the enough big organization, big communication, so you can just install the software and you can start your own call center. So normally placed at the network edge, VoIP edge means where the network is going to be connect directly to the public network, and this is protected by the firewall. Firewall always used for the protection. So now the question, in the VoIP what are the protocol are used? There is a two protocol mainly are used. One is controlling the session, another is transporting the data. Controlling the session means which will make the connection, maintain the connection and finish the connection. Everything will be maintained by the session control protocol. It is called SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. This is initiate the session, then maintain the session and end the session. And also these are by using the data transport protocol we can maintain the quality of the services functions. So what is the quality of the services function means which data will be travel first, then which data will travel on the second, means based on the prioritization. Okay. So session initiation protocol means SIP protocol will do the session control, and RTP protocol, real-time transport protocol, do the delivery of the media packets. Media packets means what you are saying, what you are talking, like I am speaking and you are listening. So all the data is going to you and coming back, and all the data going in the form of packet. If you want to see all the communication, so you can use the simply firewall and simply use the Wireshark and capture all the data and see the communication. And this communication happened over the UDP port number 560 or the 5061. Okay, these two ports are used by the SIP. And the RTP protocol means real-time transport protocol used for the controlling the communication, because first the SIP will work. When the SIP will use to make the communication, once the communication will be stable, then the other protocol RTP will work, which will deliver the data. Okay. So yes, of course, VoIP phones are available which can be used for the communication. So there is also two types of the VoIP phone are available. One is only the software, another is a handset. Handset we are using. Okay, so what we are talking about the VoIP phone. There is a possibilities of the software which can be installed on your system, and this software can work as a VoIP phone, and also the handset available which can be used for the VoIP. So there is a possibilities you can use the normal data cabling, but also you can do the separate VLAN. You can create a VoIP VLAN or the voice VLAN which will only carry your voice data. And power over Ethernet, already we have discussed about the power over Ethernet, means providing the power for the Ethernet. Okay, then something means doing the connection securely, and installation and the testing. Installation means just attaching the phone and do the testing, everything is working fine or not. Similar as a gateway, because when we are using the IP, so we are using the default gateway. Of us know about the default gateway. So default gateway also available for the voice. Voice default gateway working is a similar, same working. Like when I am going to make a call, it will go on a PBX first, then it will be transferred to the WAN. So PBX address will be the voice gateway address, and this is also known previously is known as a PSTN, means public switch telephone network, which we were using in a old days. है नहीं, BSNL का फोन तो देखा ही है सबने. It is called PSTN. Okay, which is help to make the communication to the external network. So what is the different type of the VIP gateways have the different type of the function. Like if the connection, internal connection over the VoIP via the external PSTN line, so it is called foreign exchange office. These are the VSNL exchange office, you have heard about that. So it is called foreign exchange office gateway, FXO. But when you are doing the VoIP services internal, so there is a route of the voice calls, means similar. When we are going to make the communication, so there is a routing table inside the router. Similar, there is a route or exist for the voice call. That is the reason when I am just dialing your number, so it will be ring in your phone. Okay, so we can also use the fax VoIP PBX, we have discussed already.